Hello guys, today we are in the garage again, but we are gonna unbox some parts and we'll do like a mini review on the Stage 6 kit to say some things, I also had one more box full of parts, but as you can see I already used the clutch. I didn't have time to record because I used the clutch, the variator and some other parts for my other projects. Yeah, these ones will be separate, so let's move that down. I also have here's actually for parts for two scooters, but these are the only two parts for the Aerox that I have on my channel. It will be upgraded with the with 17.5mm motocross carburetor, because stock it has 12mm, it's so small. So we have that upgrade kit and the choke for it. Also I did order adapter, but they didn't package it, which was, I guess they forgot, I don't know. Yeah, that's unboxed. I'll move it to the side. So now the real deal. Actually I need to move these two, actually they are also mine. These are the Stage 6 meters. They're actually really nice for tuning and overall stuff. But the parts here we are unboxing. Oh wait, I forgot, this carburetor is also for my runner. Let's start with this. Actually, let's unbox it. Let's see here, I'm going with one hand. I really don't do this. Okay. I did open this carburetor already to check. Damn man, with one hand it's fucked up. So here we get manifold adapter for the Stage 6 intake, because this is 30 pvk, it's bigger than 20 pvk. Also the filter side is bigger as well. I will try to open it. There we go. Just the standard PVK 30mm. It's for the runner. So that's gonna be. So now these other parts that are left are for this actual scooter. Let me put this on the side. Yeah. Throw the box. Okay, so here's the scooter. The parts are for this scooter. It's jet charger. We're gonna be putting 70cc on it. I don't know if I'm gonna record it, like if you guys want me to record how I build the engine, first start, all that shit, maybe comment, I don't know. For now I'm not gonna record. I will put this video up, then I will see if people want me to record and see. So here we have the setup we are gonna be doing on this bike. Standard bearings, I think these are the C4 SKF, yeah, but I think normal cage. I ordered normal cage, not polymer. And C3 because there C4 tolerance, because there wasn't C3, but I actually prefer C3 because it's much better. But if that's only if you assemble it properly and your crankshaft is centered perfectly and balanced, all that stuff. Otherwise you just go C4 because you have more tolerance for dumb shit. Next part is the Doppler pulley, linear pulley. As you can see, it has 3 grooves. Let me open it. Get my razor. I like Doppler parts, they're good price, and actually this one is expensive. It costs almost like my Malossi one, but Doppler makes quality stuff, so it cannot be mad. You really get good products. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned off. I think there is 2 or 3 angles. 3 I think, yeah. So you can switch between 3. No. 1, it's free. Honestly, it looks very high quality. It's like 90 euros, I think, 85, something like that. Really nice. It should work really nice on the bike. Also, it has pulley variator, clutch, bell, everything else is upgraded. We were only missing pulley, so that's settled. These are like standard bearings and sealed stage 6. I'm not gonna open them. And here we have the other stuff, which is the crankshaft. It came packaged like this. The website, it says it's Moto Force, but wait, let me check. There is no. Oh yeah, here's. It says Moto Force, but it's made by us Top Racing. So wait, no, it's made by us Moto Racing. I would say this one was also 100 euros. I think a little bit more. I'm not sure. Man, what the fuck, man! This one-hand shit is so hard. I need to get some cameraman. Maybe we'll pay someone to record. Damn, bro. There we go. Here's a crankshaft. This is the only one good for the Chinese engine, because you can put Aerox crankshaft, but you will need to change ignition and variator. So we already have that, and we're gonna be building like a mid-race setup. So this crankshaft, it's more than enough. It's also very good finish, I would say. I did check it before I open it. Honestly, it's for the money, like you pay 100 euros. This is great. I'm not gonna lie. Like, you can buy Malossi for 250, but Malossi crankshafts are known to be so bad with the bearings here. So yeah, I would rather trust this than buy Malossi. With those money, you can buy two of these. So that makes sense. Now here we have the cylinder kit. The most overrated shit in my country. But do you know why? Because I built one scooter with Stage 6 racing, and everyone thinks that's the best kit, and everyone keeps buying it in my country, and it's so funny. I will show you why. So this is a Stage 6 Sport Pro Mark II, and it's made in Taiwan, which many people don't know this. It's funny to me. Many people, not only in my country, like in the world, they don't know that this kit is made in Taiwan. I don't have it here. I have Mark 1 Sport Pro, brand new, and I have a racing. So I don't have them here. I can show you. Like, the Mark 1 kit is made by Athena. It's made in Italy. If you didn't know, this is Athena. So they are made in Italy, and they're like, I don't know. The quality of that and this is just very big difference, to be honest. This is, I will show you. Let's open it. I already did check it to make sure. And this is instructions how to mount them. This is for the Sport Pro and from the racing, as I can see. Here what comes in the box. Here's the head. It's like a modular type, but in one. So I would say they did a good job with this. It's not bad. Although I have seen in some engines the compression can be fucked up, so when you are assembling this, you really have to think and check everything, what we are gonna be doing on this engine, because it's gonna be street for the streets, everyday setup. It's not gonna be crazy ported or something. Here we have gaskets to set compression and squish, basic stuff, bunch of O-rings, and a sticker actually. Sticker. Here's the package, the pin and the ring. It's so goofy, look at this. And here we have the best cylinder, guys. If I had the Mark 1 to show you how much higher qualities than this trash, I mean, it's just insane. But I guess they're not selling those because they cost more money to produce. but it's made in Italy, and that one is so much more quality, and performance is literally the same. The light this one makes more power, it's not even half HP, bro. So first thing, the coating, I would say it's nice. It's not like some very cheap Chinese, you know. I mean, in the end of the day, this costs 250 euros, this kit. So I mean, now the other thing, there is some casting marks. They are normal. I will clean this up. They are very small, but here on the exhaust, look at this. Well, that's kind of fucked up, you know. I cannot focus, but you know, overall, I don't think it's worth for the money. It's kind of too much. The Athena one is 250, I think is the same, but this is just, it's not, there is no really a fine quality, you can feel it. Also the tolerances are not the greatest, trust me. I have had racing and sport, it's the same, but the Mark 1 is so much better. The other thing, this kit actually might be easier to tune for the noobs that they don't know shit, you know. It's gonna kind of work whatever you slap, where the Mark 1 is more aggressive and requires more knowledge, but yeah, it's just better quality. Also, this one will last a lot. If you build it properly and tune it, it will last like 10k kilometers with one ring without problems, like if properly built, and you know. But yeah, not the best in my opinion, like I'm just honest. It's very rough, you know. It doesn't have that premium feeling, like a China, cheap China, but this is premium China, you know. So yeah, that's gonna be it. You know, the other parts are in the scooter, like the CVT. We have everything. So if you wanna see, guys, building it, like reporting the engine, cleaning up, as I said, optimizing the cylinder. I'm not gonna be porting, just cleaning up factory casting shit like this, you know, basic modding for if you want a nice engine and always reliable and best performance, of course. Yeah, that's gonna be it. We also, yeah, I'm not gonna talk. If you guys want to see a video from complete assembly of this engine with the cylinder, with the compression, everything, how I'm gonna do it, just write in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.